Alright, so today is about using Elementor in WordPress. So that's for today, using Elementors. Now Elementors are plugins that are used to design. That's for making rows and columns, flex boxes, adding texts, adding images. Those are what Elementors are used for. So now we are going back to our XAMPP and we have to run both of them. Then we'll click on admin. Then this will load the default web browser of our admin area. So now we need to access the WordPress admin section by saying localhost slash WordPress slash WP admin to locate the default area. So now we'll post the username as Victor. Remember from the last video, password just what it is, then login. It's going to come up now. So right here, let's see the page first of all before we continue. So let's see how the page is already. Okay, so this is a default page. Now what we want to do now is to bring in the Elementor of WordPress. So to do that, you can download it manually from the site as wordpress.org. You can download the Elementor from here, or you can go back to the plugin area. So go back to the plugin area now. So plugin, you can choose install plugin, and you see how it is. It's coming up. You can see, so from here you can turn on your data and search for a plugin by clicking on add new plugin. You can do that and you can search for it here as Elementor if you want to, or better still, you can download it from the WordPress site. Then you can go to upload plugin, choose a file, then you can go back to download the area where it is. You can scroll down to Elementor. Okay, then you can try to work on it if possible and stuff like that. Okay, so this might take time. So what I'll do is this: I'll cancel everything. I'll go to my localhost C. All right, so localhost C is coming up. Localhost C. Then I'll go to my download again. I will copy this Elementor, Ctrl C to copy. Go back to localhost C, XAMPP folder, htdocs folder. Please, we are running the WordPress locally. That is why I'm using a server as XAMPP, a local server called XAMPP. So htdocs folder, WordPress folder, WP content folder, plugins folder. Then we can paste it here, then extract it. It's coming up. Alright, now you can click here now and delete the zip folder and leave the extracted folder here. Then go back to your area now and try to select plugins again, and you can see that it will see Elementor, stuff like that. Okay, so right now we go back here and we can click on activate. So that will activate the Elementor and we can start designing. It's coming up. So you can see now it has activated the element already. So we can go back to our page. Let's go back to page, all pages, and let's edit the home page. So this is the home page now. So click on edit and that should load where we can edit this home page for us. Alright, so that's what it is. So you can see we can make it visible. Okay, so that's for that one. So what I'll do now is to go back to edit with Elementor, select it, and it's gonna show now. Just relax. It's coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up. It's coming up. Just chill. Alright, it's loading the Elementor. It's loading. We are ready to design. Ready. So I'll be trying to make a header that will have a background image, two texts, and a button for today. Alright, so now let's start with that. Let's create a container. So click on plus area here, flexbox, choose this one. That's to make the item stay as a direction column. This one is what? This one is direction row. So direction column, select it, and what we can do is we can increase the height now. So right here at the left hand side, 450. That's the height of 450 now. Then we can choose the item should be at the center, so just find center. Then also align the item at the center too. Then you press escape on the keyboard. Then you can add some text, heading text. Okay, we can edit it if you want to edit. It's very simple. Just click edit it and you can write using Elementor in WordPress. Okay, you can press escape again, then drag one more again to touch it. It must touch it to stay beneath. Then we can say I love Elementor. Elementor, please, not Elementor. Alright, so Elementor. Okay, so Elementor. Alright, so we need the button now, so press escape again. Escape. We need the button, so scroll down a bit, get the button and drop it on top. Okay, click twice, highlight the text. You can write get started. Okay, now let's change the color of this text now. So we can click on the first one, go to style, click here, choose a default color, this one, click here. That's don't worry, it's gonna work. Relax. Okay, now let's select the container, click on this area, then go to style, background type, click on classic, choose image. It's going to load now, it's coming up. Then you can click here, you can upload any image of your choice and select it. So you can see now the image is repeating itself. We need to stop it from repeating itself. You can scroll down now, repeat, no repeat, size, cover, and we are done. That's the way it is. Background attachment, you can choose fixed, so then look like you can see that's for the background attachment. So we can publish now. Click on publish. If you are done, publish it. It's coming up, still publishing. So the word publish is to save. Alright, so just go back here now and refresh the home page, and let's see what we're going to have now. Alright, you can see this is how you can use Elementor to create a header just like that. So please guys, thumbs up to my thumbs up on the video, subscribe, share, and comment on anything that you feel I should do. Thank you so very much. Thank you.